You've worked hard to build your business, but if you're not leveraging the power of digital marketing, you're missing out on huge opportunities to expand your reach and grow your profits. That's why entrepreneurs turn to 365 Brand LLC to launch, expand, or diversify their business and online presence. These firms specialize in maximizing your online visibility, driving more traffic to your website, and converting leads into paying customers. With our strategic approach, we can help you identify your target audience and develop a customized plan to reach them on the platforms they use most. We'll help you build a strong online presence and establish your brand as a leader in your industry. 365 Brand can help you track your progress, measure your success, and adjust your strategy as needed to ensure you're always moving forward. Don't let your competition get ahead. For a limited time only, you can book a free consultation with 365 Brand LLC. Our strategic marketing experts are qualified to take your business to the next level. Click the link.